Lily Tales. Hello, look at this picture. What do you see? Think, think. It's breakfast time. Look at Leo. What is Leo doing? Think, think. Leo is eating an apple. Say, Leo is eating an apple. Say again, Leo is eating an apple. Good job! Apples are healthy, they make us strong. Look at Lily. What is Lily doing? Think, think. Lily is drinking milk. Say, Lily is drinking milk. Say again, Lily is drinking milk. Very good. Milk makes us strong. Milk helps us grow. Look at Daddy. What is Daddy doing? Think, think. Daddy is eating a sandwich. Say, Daddy is eating a sandwich. Say again, Daddy is eating a sandwich. Great job! Look at Mumma. What is Mumma doing? Think, think. Mama is packing lunchboxes. Say, Mama is packing lunchboxes. Say again, Mama is packing lunchboxes. Very good! Let's talk about you. What do you eat for breakfast? Think, think. Do you eat fruits every day? You should eat fruits every day. They keep you healthy. They help you grow faster. Do you drink milk every day? Think, 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 think. You should drink a glass of milk every day. It makes you strong. It makes your bones strong. Now let's learn something new. Listen carefully. He is eating an apple. She is drinking milk. He is eating a sandwich. She is packing lunchboxes. Say again. He is eating an apple. She is drinking milk. He is eating a sandwich. She is packing lunchboxes. Let's try again. What is Leo doing? He is eating an apple. What is Lily doing? She is drinking milk. What is Daddy doing? He is eating a sandwich. What is Mama doing? She is packing lunch boxes. Now tell me, what did you eat for breakfast today? Think, think. Did you eat fruits? You should eat fruits every day. They keep you healthy. They help you grow faster. Did you drink milk? Think, think. You should drink a glass of milk every day. It makes you strong. It makes your bones strong. Amazing! Clap for yourself. Eat healthy, stay strong.
Subscribe to Lily Tales.